Welcome, everybody. We're here today with Mark Martukovich. He is the business advisory and accounting partner. He's the managing partner of that company. Mark, we're so happy to have you today. How are you?
I'm very good today. Thank you, Jody.
Good. I'm really glad that I get a chance to meet you and learn all about your company. How long have you been in business?
So our firm's been in business over 36 years. We started as a tax and accounting shop, and we've graduated into a firm that offers advisory services for small business owners.
Okay, that makes complete sense. And so some of the options that people have when they want to partner with you, what are those?
So clients can engage with us on a number of different levels. And primarily when we look at bringing in a new relationship, it's with an eye toward planning first. Most CPA firms tend to be reactive and they record history. Our firm's different. We take a proactive approach to working with our clients throughout the year and help them understand and get a good comprehension around their numbers. And when they know their numbers, they can make good decisions and react well to things that may be coming up and put things in place that can help them be more profitable and maybe build more wealth.
So primarily, do you work with small businesses?
Yeah, so our typical client tends to be a service-based business, might have revenues about from maybe $250,000 up to maybe 3 or 5 million. Typically, it's one owner, maybe a couple partners in the situation. They don't have a CFO. Probably don't even have a controller. So typically it's the owner or a couple of owners wearing many hats and trying to manage their business. So they don't have a lot of knowledge around the financial aspect of their business. They know their business very well, but they may not know how to manage their numbers. And that's where we come into play. I tend to tell them to think of us not as a CFO because we're not going to be in their business on a regular basis, but think of us as a professional board member. We work with over 500 businesses and we have a number of business advisors on staff that have vast experience in various different business facets. And so we can work with people and come at it from a different perspective than the business owner who is immersed in their business and kind of stuck in operations per se. So we have that ability to kind of put our filters on things and come at it from a financial management standpoint, an accounting management standpoint, and a wealth building standpoint.